Hey everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we will show you how to fix daily upload limit reached error on YouTube. This guide will help you increase your upload limit easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of YouTube. This is where all your account options are located, and it allows you to access your channel settings easily. Step 2. Click on YouTube Studio. From the drop-down menu, YouTube Studio is where you manage all your videos, check analytics, and adjust important settings for your channel. Step 3. Click on Settings from the left-hand menu in YouTube Studio. Step 4. Click on the Channel tab in the Settings window. Step 5. Click on Feature Eligibility. This section shows which features are available for your channel and whether you need to verify your account to unlock them. Step 6. Click the small arrow under Advanced Features to expand the section. Expanding this section will reveal more options related to channel capabilities and upload limits. Step 7. Click on the Verification option and complete verification using video verification, a valid ID, or channel history. This step is essential to confirm your identity and increase your upload limit. Step 8. Confirm verification to increase your daily upload limit. Once verified, your channel will be allowed to upload more videos daily without facing the error. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.